Hey guys, Johnny with Leisure Time. Today we're working on a bromine tub, so we're stocking the bromine floater. They're pretty simple. We just stock it with bromine pellets, and you just tighten the lid down and set it to the desired setting. This one's set to a 2-week increment because we come here every 2 weeks for them. That's all you really got to do for the bromine. Now, all we'll really add is for some stain and scale, we're going to add some Defender. Anytime I add this to a hot tub, I like to turn the jets on just because it's going to circulate it through the lines and the plumbing. So about 2 ounces, give or take. And then along with the bromine tabs, I'm going to add a shock. It's going to be this Renew. What it's going to do is it's going to take away any cloudy water. So if you use bromine and you are dealing with some cloudy water, you're going to need some Renew to oxidize the tub to get it shiny again. So here we're going to test for the chemicals in the hot tub real quick. Submerge it for about 10 seconds. Looks like our bromine is there. On the top right there, it's going to show we have chlorine, but we don't actually have chlorine. And then it looks like our alkalinity and pH are just a little low, so we're going to hit it with some Spa Up. So if you're ever dealing with low alkalinity and pH, we're going to hit it with some Spa Up. On this size of tub, gallon size, it's about 400-ish gallons, give or take. So we're just going to do about a half a cap just to kind of start it. It's easier to take it out, or it's easier to put less in than to take out, so that's why we always start with less, because we can always add more. So if you ever experience a little bit of foam in your tub, easiest thing to take it away is foam down. What causes foam in tubs is laundry detergent and swimsuits. Anything that has a little bit of soap in it, it'll just create the tub to be a little sudsy. So if you ever need to take away that foam, just get it with some foam down. Thanks for catching that, Freddie. So Freddie just found this down in the canyon for me. Wind took it away, so I'm gonna clean it off with some Defender just because it's got a lot of grime and grit on it. So actually, and then when you guys live in areas like Jackson and stuff, you know, you guys get lots of bugs, dirt, grime in your hot tub. Easiest way to get that stuff out is, you know, a vacuum or a spa net. So that's what we're doing here, just getting all the spring bugs out of the tub that like to make their way in through the cover. And then for the stuff that the spa net won't pick up on the bottom, that's where we'll use the spa vacuum. You just take it to the bottom of the surface, prime the tube, and it's gonna pick up everything that's on the floor. If you guys need any of these products, you can get them at Leisure Time there in Idaho Falls or on our online store, leisuretimeshop.com.